Hello, this is Tony. I'm just going to do a simple object transparent background tutorial on this one. I might do you a more complex one later. Hello, this is Tony. I'm just about to show you how to do images without background. So I'm just adding a landscape project to my Affinity Designer, and I'm going to just add a couple of circles, one solid circle and one which is an ellipse really, but what I'll do is I'll just do the one, copy it and then take out the middle piece using the program I'm using. As you can see, the first one is the solid one. I might change that into a styled one in a minute, and the second one there I'm going to take out the middle by using the program's great things that I can do it with. I'm just going to thicken the line of the circle first, like that. Now get to the right thing. Where is it? I can't see what I'm doing. Oh yeah, there it is. Now what I need to do is click on the solid part there, that's the solid part, and then do that, and it takes it out automatically for me. Right, so that one is now just a ring. So now I'm going to put a style on that one. Right, so once that's done, we're going to try and export it in different ways for you, but you need to make sure you take the selection. So if you select them like that, then you should be able to have a multitude of different choices of how to export them. If you don't select them, you just have a whole document. So that is the main thing. Make sure you get a good name for each of your exports as well. What I usually do is, if I'm exporting a load of stuff with the same style, I usually copy and paste the actual style number, because it's a hell of a job to keep doing that all the while for each file. So, and with my keyboard it's not the best. So anyway, I've done that, so I've saved the one as a whole document. The next one I'm going to save as object with background. Then I'm going to do object without background, and then what I'll do is I'll do the singular circles as well, just to show you how to do it all like that. So if you have 2 or 3 objects on there, you can separate them and do single items as well by selecting the item out of the 2 that you want to export. So this should be what you need to learn how to do this properly. Right, so now what I'm going to do is just select the one. That's it. I'm going to select the first one first, obviously, and just export that without background. If I do it with background, you won't be able to do it. Right, and I'll put it on Doodly as well for you in a minute to show you how they look. Obviously the whole document won't go on because it'll be over the limit for Doodly, but the others will. Right, so I'll just show you how to do that in a minute once I've finished doing all of them. Right, so I'm on the last one now, which I'm going to export. Right, export that as document without background, object without background, and save this second circle. Now done that, I'm going to get Doodly on, which I've already got it ready to put on. I'm just going to create a new video and just put a white screen on first, and I'll just add one of the default things on. There you go, I'll put that one on. That's a new one, I ain't seen that one. That's a new one for me. So what I'm going to do is just try adding each one and show you where it looks and what happens. Okay, right, first of all the whole document one, which will be too big because it's over 1920 or whatever it is. Yeah, so I'll try the second one, which is object with background. Well, the two circles with background, there you go. Then we'll come on, but you'll see the white background on them. You see like that. Right, so I'll delete that. Go to the next one, which is the two circles without background. Click on that. Show you that. There you go, like that. That's pretty easy, isn't it? That's nice. Okay, now if you want to do them separate, I'm going to show you that now. You have to put them as separate entities then. So do number one first. Right. They're better if you do them separate anyway, because you can move them how you want without having them together all the while. So there you go. And now the second one. That's it really, once we've done that, and that's how you do it really, basically. It looks pretty good with the transparency. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Anyway, I hope that helps you.